How to turn on or turn off backlit keyboard on Asus laptop. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. Two important keys are F3 and F4, as you can see. And third important one is Fn, which is below on left. Simply click on Fn key, hold it, and then click on F4 to turn it on. To turn it off, you can simply click on Fn and F3. And these three keys are the most important one, which is Fn, F3, and F4. That's how you turn on or turn off Backlit Keyboard on Asus laptop. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I'm Sophia signing off. Until next time.